thutha wa muthe Kiengei kana Pastor Ben gukorwo akiona Murage ni akorwo akinyihia na akorwo akihoya muhera muhiki ucio. Riu muhunjia ti Bishop Ben wa kanitha wa JCM kuria Murage akoragwo akiri mucirika arikitie kuingirira ndeto ino haria arite mwiritu ucio, na nie nigukuti miario yake. I highly condemn the incident that transpired today between our great brother and friend Gibson Murage Gitonga and one Mrs. Dori Patron who sells non-stick sufurias and pans to my brother Murage. This is my advice to you. Be careful, and more so when reading social media content. Use a positive attitude that no one is fighting with you. Not all people are your enemies. Take time because the social media that you came in is not the same with the one that I joined in 2011. This one has attracted a lot of people, many without a history. It is tough. Na ukitoboa hii utakuwa muhenga kama wengine wetu hapa. Go it easy. We can all notice your hard work and we appreciate you. And that's why we are all over calling crowns into your shop. Thank you for your bold step to apologize. And don't follow what your friends are doing here. Stop being rude to people because that's not you. You are a different character from what we are seeing. The Menda Murage whom I saw in Nyeri, huyu wa Nairobi sio yule. Ignore the celebrity status and remain the rich carpenter. Usipigane na wengi. Sisi ukiona tukigonga tunajua wazazi wa kugonga na watoto wa kusukuma kando. To the patron, take these incidents as your day of God's visitation. On social media platforms, you can either positively or negatively. Yesterday, I preached about favor in denial. You are the Jacob in this case. Please forgive Murage because through him I'll make an order for Sufrias. Don't condemn him to death. Spread love and allow him to look for you. Use this chance to rescue him from the traps of social witchcraft. I know you can rise and make him rise. Muria nyumba ĩmwe nĩ mwarĩa na no mũtikanine.